This enterprise test data tutorial, we're going to look at applying defaults to data masking. Defaults are a way for you to standardize masking across databases. It means you can reuse masking rules, which ensures consistency and also time saving across environments when you're performing. So in this tutorial, firstly, we're going to look at creating some masking defaults. We're then going to apply the defaults to a rule set, which can be used in your masking environment. We're inside a rule set, and within this rule set, we have a customers table. And what you'll see here is we've done some data discovery and we have some tags assigned to specific columns within that table. And we have no masking rules assigned to them. Now, one of the concepts we have inside enterprise test data is we can come in and we can create rule sets. Now we're going to create a rule set for customers. I'm going to open that up. Now what this allows us to do is to come in and add defaults in here and default masking conditions. So the first one we're going to set is to have a rule where the name, where any tag is equal to first name. So this is a default for first name columns. And we're going to apply a masking rule to this, and we're going to hit OK. If we open that up, what we can do is we can apply a default masking rule for first names. So we'll click Add, we'll go to Name, select the function first name, and what this now means is that whenever we come across a tag with first name, we're going to apply our masking function of first name to it. So we're going to go through and create some defaults which we think should exist for any masking routine we have. Okay, so we've gone through here and we've created a default, and we've got a catch-all at the end, which is for our PII tag. And our PII tag just assigns the function of just creating some random words. So we've done this for quite a few tags here. Now what this means is when we're inside a rule set, we can click to apply defaults. We can select the default rule sets we want to apply. That means is we can go through and we can apply our defaults, and what that now means is use the tags we have in our default to come through and assign the appropriate masking functions as it sees fit. Now what you'll also see here is we did not have a default rule for email inside our default rule set, but we did have a tag for PII, so it's gone to the catch-all at the bottom to assign our masking function. And we can now go off and use this rule set within our masking activity. Thank you for watching this video. Visit curiositysoftware.ie to learn more.